Welcome to the month of October here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. With the recent surge in demand and limited supply now in the RV industry, we have Winnebago's most popular models available here for viewing and for live interactive virtual appointments from the comfort of your own home or office, including the Winnebago View and Navion, the Winnebago Touring Coach Travato, the Bolt, and the Rebel. So be sure to check with your factory trained consultant about limited supply, but also availability from all of the quality Winnebago products that we already have on order, available for you to reserve your spot here at Lichtsinn RV.
At Lichtsinn RV, you can see Winnebago's most popular models and floor plans, including the Winnebago Solis, Travato, Rebel, Bolt, View, and Adventurer in person. We also offer virtual appointments with our Winnebago Factory trained sales consultants, where they can provide an in-depth review of any of our RVs and answer any of your questions. Virtual appointments are extremely easy to set up. All you have to do is call or chat in to a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant, and they'll be able to set it up for you. And as always, you can find our in-depth walk-around videos and hundreds of photos of all our inventory on our website, lichtsinnrv.com.
You will experience the best at Lichtsinn RV. Being located only 1 mile from Winnebago brings our guests many advantages that other dealers cannot offer. When you buy a new Winnebago from Lichtsinn RV, it will not have any delivery miles on it. That means you will be the one who gets to break in your RV during the crucial engine break-in period, not a delivery driver. At Lichtsinn RV, we do not use delivery drivers who may travel hundreds of miles and live, eat, and stay in your brand new Winnebago before you can. Our proximity to Winnebago Industries is just another example of how you will experience the best at Lichtsinn RV.
Hi, this is Brian Buffington, Service Director at Lichtsinn RV. Autumn is here, and I'm here to remind you to schedule your RV winterization. You can trust the Lichtsinn RV service team to get your RV ready for winter. All of our RV service technicians are RVIA, RVDA certified, meaning they have the competency to work on your RV. If you prefer to winterize your RV yourself, we have detailed winterization how-to videos in our video library. Schedule your RV winterization with us today by calling 800-343-6255.
That's all for this month's newsletter. Be sure to call or email us with your parts, service, and sales needs. We're here to help you.